What is up, guys? Jacob back here with a brand new Cooking with Jake video on the channel today, and this is a very exciting one, and I'm excited to show you guys how to make this. Obviously, you guys probably already know how to make this, to be honest, because I mean, most everyone that watches my videos are older than me and are like full-grown adults, so but this is my first time making it. Today's cooking video is how to make salsa. This is my first time making salsa too, so hopefully it comes out good. And if you guys do enjoy this video, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, put comments down what other cooking videos you guys want me to do and stuff like that. I'm also working on some other new series for the channel. But yeah, let's get into this cooking video. I'm showing you guys the setup and what's going to be going on. And we are back. So this is the setup that we have here for the salsa. This very cool blender. I forgot where we got it from, but this is my first time using this blender, and we've had it for years. But anyway, so we're going to be using whole peeled tomatoes, the Food Club kind. We have two halves of a yellow onion, we have garlic, we have our jalapenos that I need to cut the stems off of, we have salt, garlic salt, and then we also have crushed red pepper that we'll be using. So now the first thing that we will be doing is putting in the entire can of the tomatoes. So if you hear a little bit in the background, she's crying because she wants to come in. But let's do this. So remember, the whole thing goes in. Oh, whoa. Just like that. Okay, so now we have that. The next thing we're going to do is put in one onion, this half. You can do little bits, but I'm just going to do the whole thing like that. And then we're going to do the jalapenos, but I'll be back once I cut. And we are back. I finally cut the stems off. So the next step after you added the tomatoes and then the onion is to add an jalapeno, a whole one. Just like that. And then also garlic. And then we're going to be adding salt to it. Just normal salt, not the garlic salt yet, but do a generous amount, or do there, and then we put the top back on, and then we mix it. So let's do that. Alright, so I've never used this before, assuming it's this one. Oh wait, just like that. I'm gonna wait a little bit more so it all mixes up. Just like that. So this is what it, okay, this part fell off. But this is what it looks like right now. Obviously, it probably won't taste as hot. We might have to add the rest of the onion or more garlic, but I'm gonna smell it real quick. But I'm gonna be getting chips and we're gonna be trying it. I definitely am kind of starting this one. I can kind of taste the hotness to it, but it's not really there. I don't know if it's the jalapenos or if it's I'm not doing it right. I might have to add garlic salt, but I mean, I don't want to make it perfect, this is gonna be a long video, but this is how to make salsa. Obviously, my first time trying, came out pretty good, a little bit of spice. I'm gonna mess with it a little bit more off camera and come to the perfect conclusion, obviously, but pretty fun video. I like salsa. Definitely salsa is one of my favorite things to eat at restaurants, or that's at home or at parties, but hopefully you guys know how to make salsa now, and if you do, make sure to leave a like on the video. Remember, likes are incredibly good. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. We are currently 5 subscribers away from 450. We're about to be halfway to 500. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. Thank you guys for watching me make some salsa. And I'll see you guys all in the next cooking video, or just in the next video in general. Bye.